Students of class 8A, in this period of geometry, the chapter 15, the circle is continued. In the live class, as you had asked to start circle, I have started, and explanation is going on. So during this explanation, today we will see sector and types of circles. Sector. The definition of sector is a region that is enclosed by two radii and an arc. Here two radii are OA and OB and arc is AB. So this region OAB is enclosed by these two radii and this arc AB. So this region became the sector. Similarly, there are two types of sectors, as you have seen: minor arc, major arc. Like that, there are two types of sector. One is minor sector. This region OAB, this region is minor sector, and opposite of this region name is the same. This region is also, name of this sector is also, because this region is also enclosed by these two radii and this arc. So this region is also a sector, but that sector is called major sector. First one is minor sector, that is smaller in area, and opposite of it, this is the major sector, that is larger in area. So again I repeat the definition of sector. A sector is a region that is enclosed by two radii and an arc. This side also and that side also. There are two types of sector: minor sector and major sector. Now we come to types of circles. There are two types of circles. First is concentric circles. Concentric circles, there will be plural form of circle. Concentric circles. Concentric circles have same center but different radii. Center of these two circles are same, that is O, but two different radii are OA and OB. The length of these two different radii are different. So these two are called the concentric circle. Second type of circle is intersecting circle. When two circles intersect each other at two distinct points, then those circles are called intersecting circles. Here again, circle will be in plural form, not circle, circles. So in this figure you are seeing there are two circles having center O and B, and these two circles are intersecting each other at two distinct points. Those points are A and B. Therefore these two circles are intersecting circles. Let us see the properties of tangents. You know the tangent, the line that touches the circle externally, that line is called tangent, and that line can touch only and only at the circle. That line can touch the circle at only and only one point. In this figure you are seeing this line is the tangent to the circle. This line is touching the circle at point P externally. So this line is the tangent. There are four properties of tangents. The first is tangent touches the circle externally at only and only one point. Second property, we can draw only and only one tangent through the given point. If P is given point, we can draw only one and one tangent through this point P. This is the second property. Third property, while two tangents are drawn from the external point of the circle, from the external point of circle, two tangents can be drawn. P is the external point of this circle. From here two tangents are drawn, that is PQ and PR. And property 4, if two tangents are drawn from external point, then those two tangents are equal in length. It means PQ equal to PR. And radii, there will be two radii. Radii of the circle are perpendicular to both the tangents. OQ is the radius that is perpendicular to PQ. So angle OQP is 90 degree. Similarly, OR is the radius that is perpendicular to PR. Therefore, angle ORP is 90 degree. So in this way, we saw the four properties of tangents. I repeat the first property. The tangent passes through only and only one point that lies on the circle, or the tangent touches the circle externally at one and only one point. Here in this figure, that point is P. Second property, the only one tangent can be drawn through the given point that is on the circle. P is on the circle. Through this point, one and only one tangent can be drawn, not more than one. Third property is, from any external point, two tangents can be drawn to the circle. This P is the external point. From here, PQ and PR, two tangents are drawn. Property 4, if two tangents are drawn from the external point, then both the tangents are equal in length. First. Second, radii of the circle are perpendicular to the tangents. OQ is perpendicular to PQ, OR is perpendicular to PR. In this way, angle OQP is 90 degree. Similarly, angle ORP is 90 degree. These were the properties of tangents. Let us start the exercise 15. The first question is fill in the blanks. There are 7 questions, 7 Roman numbers. In Roman number 1, a radius of a circle is dash of its diameter. Radius of circle and diameter, there is a relationship between this. Radius is half of diameter and diameter is half of the circle, half of the radius. Radius of a circle is dash of its diameter, means half of its diameter. Roman number 2, the circumference of a circle is dash times of its diameter. We know the formula of circumference of the circle, that is 2 pi r, and for this 2r we can write d, so it became pi d, diameter. So the circumference of a circle is pi times of diameter. Pi times of diameter. Roman number 3, a dash is a half of semicircle. This is semicircle, and half of semicircle is called quadrant. So a dash is a half of semicircle, that is quadrant. QUADRANT. Roman number 4, the center of two or more concentric circles are same. Just I have explained this. Suppose these two are the circles and it has the common center, then we say these two are the concentric circle. Here the question was, the center of two or more concentric circles are dash, means are same. Center is same. Roman number 5, this is a tangent to a circle touches the circle at dash one point. Only one and only one point. One and only after that it is written 1 point. So in the blank you will fill one and only. The radius of a circle at a point of contact of the tangent to the circle and tangent are dashed to each other. This explanation just we have seen. This is the circle and these two are the tangents. And from here these two radii were drawn. So this is perpendicular to the tangent. So for this question, the answer will be the radius of a circle at the point of contact. This is the point of contact. These two of the tangent to the circle and the tangent are dashed to each other, means perpendicular to each other. Perpendicular. Roman number 7. Two tangents drawn from outside the circle are equal in length. These two tangents are drawn from the external point, so these two tangents are equal in length. So in the blank you will fill are equal in length.